Hello, this is JR here. Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into ZORA Token and the numbers are insane. In my last video, we tracked ZORA at just 1 penny, but now it's sitting at 11 cents. That's a staggering 975% profit if you had followed along. I'll break down exactly how that growth happened, what it means for your portfolio, and whether the momentum can keep going. All my videos are for entertainment or educational purposes only. Hey, something else for you. Want to course in digital marketing, content creation, or business? Head to startyourcourse.com. Expert lead courses for under 30 bucks. Buy once, download, keep forever, and learn anytime. Start your success today. All right, quick overview. Let's see here. If you could browse, most of the courses are under $30. You could make a search, for instance, I would say Facebook, and gives you every course they have about Facebook. Same thing for YouTube. If you type Google and business and so forth, startyourcourse.com. Let's jump in here. All right, quick update about the entire crypto market. Check out the total market cap and all of this stuff. Let's go. Total market cap for today is $3.92 trillion. The market is down by 1.84%. 24 hours value is $303.19 billion. 24 hours value is up by 36.61%. And Bitcoin is always dominates the market, which is a good thing. Bitcoin is currently trading close to $113,000. 24 hours is down by 1.96%. 7 days is down by 3.41%. Total market cap is a little over $2.3 trillion. And 24 hours value is $74.5 billion. Ethereum is currently trading $4,731. 24 hours is down by 0.82%. 7 days is up by 6.82%. Total market cap is $571.3 billion. And 24 hours value is $53.7 billion. XRP is currently trading $3.01. 24 hours is down by 1.12%. 7 days is down by 1.41%. Total market cap is $179.5 billion. And 24 hours value is $6.6 billion. BNB is currently trading $875.48. 24 hours is down 0.68%. 7 days is up 2.85%. Total market cap is close to $122 billion. And 24 hours value is close to $3 billion. Sol is currently $207. 24 hours is up by 0.79%. 7 days is up by 9.99%. Total market cap is $112.1 billion. And 24 hours value, $11.8 billion. We got Doge. Doge is doing this thing as well. Currently trading 23 cents. 24 hours is down by 2.60%. 7 days is down by 0.04%. Total market cap is $34.7 billion. And 24 hours value is a little over $3.4 billion. Tron is doing this thing currently trading 36 cents. 24 hours is down by 1.12%. 7 days is up by 1.65%. Total market cap is close to $34 billion. And 24 hours value, a little over $1.3 billion. ADA currently is trading 91 cents. 24 hours is down by 0.71%. 7 days is down by 4.38%. Total market cap is $32.4 billion. And 24 hours value is $2.3 billion. We got Chandler, Hype, we got Sweet, and XLM. Basically, the market is down for today. Past 24 hours and 7 days, everything is mostly red. That's it for the state of the market. Let's jump on the coin quick. We know what it is. ZORA. As you can see, ZORA is currently trading close to 12 cents. It's up by 159.81% in a month or in a day. 7.21%. Total market cap, we got $372.6 million. Again, it's up by 7.22%. 24 hours out, $280.17 million. And up 186.69%. Supply 10 billion. Website XP. I made a recording 3 months ago about this token and it was like close to 1 cent. Let's watch the past recording for a few seconds so we can go ahead and compare it and do the little calculation to know the profit percentage for this token. Give me 1 second here. Again, this is the last video. As you could see, it was trading a little over 1 cent. This currently trading a little over 1 cent. And total market cap for ZORA is $37.11 million. Look at the total market cap at that time was 37 millions, okay? And it's currently trading up to 100 something millions. Let's go back to coin market cap. We're gonna do a calculation by using a formula called profit percentage equal current price divided by past price subtract 1. The current price is 11 cents, okay? 11.47 divided by the past price, which is the one we just watched on that video, $0.01, okay, 058, okay, equal 10.84, okay, minus 1. It gives you 9.84. Time this by 100, which is the conversion rate of percentage, 100. It gives you 984% gain. That's insane. Which means somebody who will invest $100, your $100, 3 months from now, would it be $984? That's crazy. Almost 10x your money. And that's it, folks. Let's get out of here. So, if you had invested when we covered ZORA last time, your portfolio would have grown by 975%. That's nearly 9x your money. Of course, crypto moves fast and nothing is guaranteed, but the numbers speak for themselves. All my videos are for entertainment or educational purposes only. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more in-depth crypto analysis, and drop a comment with your ZORA predictions. Stay sharp, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.